Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make money from mobile apps. Everyone wants to learn how to create an app for free and make money. Mobile apps are a great way for business owners to make improvement to their company. Regardless of your reason for creating an app, I am sure you have something in common with other prospective developers. First of all, I commend you for doing the research before you get started building your first app. I have seen so many people who were naive enough to think that just because they created an app, it would automatically generate money. That is not true. Here's an analogy. If you start a new business, will it automatically make money? Absolutely not. Fortunately, you have come to the right place. As an expert in the mobile application industry, I have the knowledge and experience to help steer you in the right direction. Now let's start it. How does an app make you money? We will cover the best app monetization strategies and show you some examples throughout this guide and video. But generally speaking, apps make money in the following ways. Number one, in-app purchases, in-app advertising, sponsorship, affiliate links. Unless you are selling products, services, or subscription, then you will likely be relying on some form of an ads or affiliate program to make money with your app. Number one, app monetization strategy. What are the best app monetization methods? 90% of time a mobile is spent on in apps. Consumer clearly love to use apps, so the opportunity is there. But you need to realize that downloads alone do not always directly translate to dollars. So before you dump all of your money into your new app idea, you have got to make sure it will generate a profit. App monetization model. In-app purchases versus a mobile site. Hopefully, that site has been optimized for mobile devices. Websites that are not mobile friendly will turn visitors away. So if that is not something you have done, it needs to be priority. Do you think users prefer buying on a mobile site or directly through a mobile application? Convenience was the number one answer from respondents. Your consumer want everything fast. As I said earlier, if your website is not optimized for mobile devices, speed can be an issue. In addition to speed and inconvenience, the checkout process on a mobile purchase is also much simpler. Look how easy it is to buy something within an app if your customers have App Pay linked to their devices. One click and done. It is that easy for the consumer. That is how free apps make money. What else could slow the customer down? The customer has to log on to their PayPal account or enter their credit card information. All I am trying to do is emphasize that in-app purchases are better. The platform that you launch your app on matters too. The second method, iOS versus Android in-app purchases. The average purchases per user on iOS operating system platforms are more than double Android. While operating system may have a higher number for the average purchase, Android dominates in terms of total users. With that said, 16% Android developers even earn over $5,000 per month with their mobile apps, and 25% of the iOS developers make over $5,000 through app earning. App monetization strategy for physical product. To successfully sell consumer products through an app, you have got to put yourself in the minds of a mobile shopper. You do not need to become the next Amazon. I am going to show you an example of a less known company that know how to use their mobile app to drive sales and make money. When you have the ability to focus on consumer acquisition and customer retention at the same time, it is a formula for success. Once they find something that piques their interest, they can click on the product to find out more information. Their app allows users to complete the shopping and purchase process in just 3 steps. Ultimately, this strategy works. If you are currently selling products on your website and mobile site, you can generate more revenue by successfully building a mobile app. Monetization method for free app versus paid apps. On average, you would obviously generate a higher revenue per download, but that does not mean you have to go that route. Paid apps are a great way to get more loyal customers. Keep in mind your app will also have competition, so new customers realize that they can find something similar and potentially better for free rather than paying to download yours. While they may sound discouraging, you should not look at it that way. If you are on the fence about releasing a free or paid app, I would lean toward recommending a free download. Freemium upsell. Free apps make money. You could always use a freemium model, which is popular in startups and gaming apps. But then offer paid versions of the app with a premium feature like eliminating mobile ads. The ads-free version delivers a better user experience. The concept is super simple. User create a profile and add photos of themselves. Everyone who downloads this app has access to these features for free, but there are certain restrictions if user swipe right on too many profiles in a day. Advertising. Displaying in app advertising is another popular monetization strategy. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money from an app right away. Referral marketing. Referral marketing is another form of mobile advertisement. With referral program, you will be advertising a third-party product or service in your app. In app advertising, app purchases, offer in app purchases, free premiums. Regardless of your app idea, you can still launch a free mobile app, drive free app downloads, and have a successful app that makes money. Now I come to the conclusion. Note that all apps earn money. If your plan is just to build and without an app monetization model and just sit back to collect your money, you will be in for a rude awakening. Mobile users prefer apps compared to mobile sites. So while your company definitely needs a website that optimizes for mobile devices, an app can make the customer experience much better. If you are selling physical product, having a mobile app will help you generate more money. If you follow this video, you will be on the right track to building a mobile app that actually makes money. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.